the Cyber Scam Review, and today I'll be telling you about worst trading app, Tesla Scam Review. Trading any instrument carries huge risk, but if you know what you're doing, then it's always worth the hassles involved. Tesla is a trading software that claims to help people earn as much as $230 per hour just by clicking a few buttons. The sales pitch is sleazy and most of the things they say are manipulative as well. For example, they are not a real trading firm. Their alleged CEO is just an actor. Moreover, there is no trading history or verifiable records submitted by them. To put things into perspective, this firm hasn't published any evidence and they have a high level of conflict of interest with the clients. Anyone that indulges with them for long is almost guaranteed to lose all their money. In case you're wondering, know that even the social proof generated by them is fraudulent and the fake user testimonials should tell you a lot about their real character. Certainly, they are not the ones you should get involved with anyway. To get clear about all the manufactured backstories used by them along with the other questionable things present on their platform, be with me. Successful trading platforms are always transparent. Whenever a firm comes up with an algorithm that generates consistent returns, hedge funds and investment banks line up to get their hands on it. On the other hand, fraudulent trading software and platforms target only the retail side because they know the professional side will never fall for their traps. Tesla app reveals the name of their CEO. But there is a twist in the story. For starters, any information about the CEO is not available online. Moreover, the person who calls himself the founder in reality is nothing more than a paid actor. Ask yourself, why would a firm lie about their whereabouts and other crucial aspects if they have nothing to hide? Fake background stories are employed only by scams and their longevity is always limited. After all, in today's era, nothing can be suppressed for long and the truth will find its way to the surface. If you have seen their sales page, you might feel convinced to a certain extent. However, any real trader can easily tell you that the scammers are bluffing about every aspect they have covered. First of all, the way their so-called algorithm works is not specified. We as end consumers are not enlightened about the parameters used by them, the kind of risk management measures taken, etc. Plus, even the capital allocation per trade is not covered in detail. Trading is a sector wherein 90% of the people lose money. Given the traits of this platform with no proof and edge, the odds of making money with them is not just slim, but impossible as well. Whenever trading software does not reveal the metrics and instead only focuses on lifestyle messages, then you need to be extremely careful. Finance sector is hard but profitable. However, without acquiring skills, there is no way anyone can make thousands of dollars on a daily basis. One thing all the investment scams love to do is exaggerate the potential profit. Pandemic has pushed people off the equilibrium zone and everyone is trying to make money quickly. While passive income generating is possible, you should not let sheer greed guide you down the wrong road. Tesla scam promises people over $200 per hour. Along with hinting at high profits, they also try to push only lifestyle-oriented messages. Their disclaimer section cleverly shields them from legal trouble. Nonetheless, their deceptive marketing practices are evident and no legitimate firm would ever operate in that manner. As the loopholes in the narrative and the kind of dispersion they have is obvious. It is better to not get involved with them in the first place. This section is going to be very long if you start listing all of their flaws. To give you an overview about all of their dirty habits, we will focus only on the major deadly ones. First and foremost, they have no right to give financial advice. They hide behind hidden clauses and use aggressive marketing to sell people on fictitious ideas. Plus, the conflict of interest is high and they earn only if retail investors lose. None of the claims are verifiable and as far as trading is considered, they do not have any ounce of data to back up anything. Even user feedback showcased on the platform and sales video are all fake. Also know that the brokers they work with are shady as well, and chances of getting your money back with them is very close to zero. So be cautious and never believe anything they say. After all, the only way for them to make money is to slaughter your account, right? Social proof is of utmost importance, especially for firms that are related to trading. People tend to believe companies that have a reputation. Sadly, this aspect is manipulatable to a large extent, and that is exactly what the scammers behind this app have done. On this sales video, you can see more than a half dozen testimonials. However, if you try to verify any of the things mentioned there, you will quickly find out the entire thing is a hoax. For example, the alleged users showcased for the most part are actors. Also on third-party forums, the consensus is something which is beyond concerning. As always, the retail site now knows the reality of this firm, and the victims of this scam are sharing their horrific experience online. Given all the data about this firm, it would be nothing less than a suicide if you proceed with them. Will you make money with this app? No way. In fact, the only ones to make money are the crooks running this hustle. People behind this platform get paid for referring clients to offshore brokers. Every time someone signs up with them, the target will be pressured to deposit with an offshore broker connected to them. As soon as a broker gets the money, a fat commission will be sent to the scammers. Clearly, only the ones on the opposite side of the retail traders will make money at the end of the day. If you have made the mistake of sending them funds, then do not panic. All you have to do to get started with the recovery process is simple and straightforward. Fill out the contact form below and get in touch with us on our official website. We will analyze your case and assist you in the process free of charge. Our service has helped thousands of people all around the world. We strongly advise people to stay away from Tesla trading scam. If anyone trusts them with their hard-earned money, then they will regret it sooner or later. While the easy money claims might entice you for the time being, be wise enough to ignore get-rich-quick schemes like this one. Tesla trading app is a scam. If you have any personal experience with this bogus system, share your thoughts on our official website. Thank you.